Life is too short to learn from your own mistakes. I'm repeating, life is too short to learn from your own mistakes, so try to learn from the another person's mistakes. These are the words given by Chanakya, and literally I appreciate it. And reading novel not only depicts the life of the individuals or the personality of the individual, but also it talks about what the mistake they have done in their life and what we have not to repeat, and what the ideas or the rules they applied in their life, and they became the successful person. So we can inculcate these ideas in our life, and we totally change our life, and we can modify our life into the best version of us. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Shri Akal. This is Dipti Verma, and today I'm just going to share you the summary of one of my favorite novel, that is Miracle Morning. Hal Elrod, when he was 20 years old, he was set up his business and his relationship. His family was so happy, and everything was perfectly fine to him because his life was moving on so smoothly. But you know that life is not so simple as we thought in our life, because sometimes our life gets in a fluctuated mood. Sometimes we feel so happy, sometimes our life is in a recession mode. So same thing happened to him. Once he was returning to his home, and a car get into filth because one day he got into accident. He met with accident, and totally his life got devastated at that phase. What happened? His hand got fractured, his leg got fractured, even his lung got fractured. And for the 6 minutes, it was assumed that he was died. But one of the personal doctors saved his life, and doctor told him that he never walked in his life, and he can't do anything in his life. And that was the very difficult moment for Hal Elrod. But he was a positive attitude person, because his mentor told him that thinking about negative things is making your life worse of the worst. So he wants to make his life totally change, and he wants to prove doctors wrong, because doctor told him that he never walked in his life, and he wanted to prove doctor wrong. So within the 3 weeks, he totally changed himself. He walked. And doctor gets surprised to know that how can he walk? Then he told the mantra of positivity, that is nothing, it's just a positive attitude, it's just a feeling of self-belief, it's just the positive hope of the bouncing back technology. So doctor believed in his. It's not the ending phase of his life. Another aspect also produced a bad impact in his life, and that was the economic recession. Everything was moving smoothly once he stand up again. He got married, his business was in a double profit, everything was perfectly fine. But after the economic recession, his life again got totally devastated, and he became worse from the worst, and he became totally poor. His wife suggested him that to meet to his friend, one of the friend who is a very good economist, and he can give some business tips to him, so to improve himself. And he go to his friend, and he asked about his friend that my life is not moving smoothly, and I'm in a big economic loss, so what I do? So his friend suggested him that you do nothing, just do 2 things. One is wake up in the morning and do exercise. Another thing is read about the self-help book. Not he didn't suggest him to read any newspaper or any knowledge book, but he gave suggestion to read about the self-help book, which is really about deep knowledge. You think about the emotional intelligence, and you can change yourself into your best version. But Hal thought that what a rubbish is talking to me, that wake up in the morning and do exercise and read those books. What those things help in our life? So he just quit that place, and he returned to his home. But he didn't have another option, because he got quite depressed. So he started reading the books, and he started waking up in the morning, and he started to doing the exercise. And after reading many books, he sum up with the ideas, because he even can't realize that he was the person who was in a totally economic loss, and he got the multiple times profit. And he given the concept that is given by the acronym that is SAVERS. SAVER was the concept which totally changed the life of the Hal Elrod, and he shares to all the viewers, to all the readers, that what the things which totally changed his life, and he even can't imagine that I can totally recover myself, and that was the acronym given by SAVERS, that is SAVERS. And that's why the novel is named as Miracle Morning, because that the morning time which makes his life miracle, so he has renamed it as Miracle Morning. So what are those acronym stands for? Let's begin. So S stands for silence. Silence means when you wake up in the morning. So there are many people who frustrated in life and they thought many negative things in their life, just woke up and active on the social media, they just became too cruel, they just begin to fight with each other. So there are many more things, but according to author, all the successful person, they just woke up, they being in a silence mood, they do the meditation, they do the exercise, they do the yoga, and that makes their mind in a perfectly peace, and that peaceful mind make you recover the whole body and your structure, and makes you to develop a positive attitude, and also this improve you into the best version of you. So first thing is to be a silence. Next thing is affirmation. Affirmation means to have a positive attitude. Positive attitude means if you want to become something, if you have any desire, any goal, any desire, any aspiration, then you have to have a positive hope about it. You have affirmation that if you are saying that I'm a confident person, repeat it, and you tell yourself that you are a confident person, and that fakeness turns you reality. Because one of the famous quote is that fake it till you make it. Fake it till you make it. Because once you fake it, your personality automatically changes the version you want to change yourself. And next thing is SAV, V for visualization. So there's a slight difference between the affirmation and visualization. Affirmation, if you told anything about you that I'm a confident, it will inculcate into you and you became it. And visualization means having the imagination, having the picture of what you want to be. If you want to be a doctor, then have an imagination that I'm a doctor. If you want to run, if you want to wake up in the morning and you want to go to gym, or you want to go for a run, then you imagine yourself that I woke up in the morning and I'm wearing the shoes and I'm keeping the water bottle with me and I'm just going to run. So if you imagine those things, that will turn to reality, and there's a slight difference between the imagination and reality. So you have to do it. Next is BE, E for exercise. Exercise, you know that exercise is very important, and International Yoga Day, and exercise, somewhat yoga and exercise make our life totally change. It rejuvenates us. So why exercise is important? Because once we inculcate those things in our life, then our life moves in a positive way. Next is R for reading. Reading, I'm not saying that read some books, your school books, or read some of the newspaper, but yes, you have to read some of the self-help books or some of the novels, because they are the tips and techniques to improve yourself. And once you apply those things in your life, then you can't imagine that what your life is, and you might see your results soon. And next is S for scribing, that is writing. If you have a particular goal, then have a notebook and write your goal. Once you write everything, that will fix in your subconscious mind, and you will be perfectly applied it in your life. So these are the acronyms. I'm repeating SAVERS. These are the acronyms, that is SAVERS. Just totally change the life of the author, that is Hal Elrod. So he suggested that you inculcate all the ideas in your life and surely you will see yourself into the best way. Hal would take a part in the ultra marathon. He didn't believe that once doctors suggested him that he can't walk in his life, and he has taken a part in the ultra marathon, and he gave all the credit to the miracle morning, and that make his morning in such a different angles that he totally changed his life. So this is the story, and I think that you get something from this. Thank you.